Good morning. Where are you going today?
Good morning. I would like to go to the airport, please.
Sure. Which terminal do you need?
Terminal 2. I have a flight this morning.
Okay, no problem. Do you have a lot of luggage today?
Yes, I have 2 big suitcases and 1 small bag.
That's fine. Please put them in the trunk. I can help you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is this your first time flying from this airport?
No, but I don't come here often. I'm a little nervous about time.
Don't worry. Traffic is good right now. We will arrive on time.
That makes me feel better. How long will it take?
Around 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Let's go.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Los Angeles.
Great. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases, and I have this backpack as carry-on.
Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Okay. Is everything fine?
Yes, they are 20 kilos each. That's perfect.
Good. Could I have a window seat, please?
Let me check. Yes, you are in seat 14A.
Nice. Thank you.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is G12, and boarding starts at 9:30.
And do I need to go there early?
Yes, please arrive 20 minutes before boarding.
Okay, I understand. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Hello. Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay, do I need to take out my laptop?
Yes. Please take it out and place it in a separate tray.
Like this?
Yes, that's correct. Also, take off your shoes and belt, too.
Oh, okay. I will do that now.
Thank you. Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Yes, just a small bottle of water.
You need to put it in the bin.
Oh, I understand. I will throw it away.
Good. Now, please walk through the scanner.
Okay.
Wait, please step back. Do you have anything in your pockets?
I'm sorry. I forgot my phone. Here it is.
Okay, walk through again. Perfect. You can collect your items now.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Excuse me, can you help me? Where is gate G12?
Yes, of course. Go straight, then turn left near the coffee shop.
Okay, go straight and then left. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you flying to Los Angeles?
Yes, I am. Is my flight still on time?
Let me check. Oh, there is a delay.
Oh no. How long is the delay?
The flight is delayed by 2 hours because of bad weather. The new boarding time is 11:30.
I see. Will the gate change as well?
No, it will still be gate G12.
Is there a place where I can sit and wait?
Yes, there are many seats near the gate area, or you can wait in the lounge nearby.
Will they announce when boarding starts?
Yes, there will be announcements and updates on the information screens.
Okay, that's good. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Have a comfortable wait.
Excuse me, could I have some water, please?
Of course. Would you like still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Here you are. Anything else for you?
Yes, I'm a little hungry. Do you have snacks?
Yes, we have sandwiches, cookies, and chips.
What do you recommend?
The chicken sandwich is very popular.
Okay, I will try 1 chicken sandwich, please.
Sure. It costs $5.
Here you are.
Thank you. I will bring it to your seat soon.
Thank you. Also, how long is the flight?
It is about 5 hours to Los Angeles.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.